So I imagine.
That's what I'd never want to do, take a goose's eggs off her.
Right.
Do you know what I mean?
Why's that?
What?
Why's that?
They've got teeth for a start.
Oh right, yeah, can be quite vicious, can't they? Yeah.
And there's always that rumour that urban myth kind of thing that a goose's wing can break a man's leg.
Yeah.
Famed right.
Yes.
You know when they get
really,
dander up and they start flapping the wings and that's gander.
Those are bantams, aren't they? Those things, those black.
Yeah, they look a bit small to be.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. The bantams are smaller, aren't they? Generally.
Yeah,
Yeah.
little silky down there with feet.
Yeah.
Fluffy legs.
They're still chickens, then I guess.
Yeah, just like a pygmy variety. My granddad used to keep them with funny legs, feathers on the legs. He used to show them.
Right.
I think they're more a showbird than, you know.
Yeah.
More for shows and that. I bet these are pretty tame though.
Yeah. Oh, he's off.
Phantom's scared me though, isn't it?
Yeah. Look at him. Look at him run.
Yeah, they're a bit tough though. Oh, you see its teeth? They have got teeth. They've got like serrations in them. He's like, I'm with these lads.
I'm keeping quiet. I'll just sit and pretend I'm a goose.
Yeah, he's like, well, I'm great colour, aren't I?
Right beak. I'll just shuffle over here, keep out of their way.
Yeah.
They won't notice.
Look at the difference in duck and goose though. Goose is a lot more like muscular in it than an animal is. Duck's kind of actually waddling. Tell you, a duck's designed to spend most of its time just floating about.
Yeah, in the water.
Not very designed. Through evolution, of course. Ryan the secret creationist. It's all
it's all coming out now.
God secretly designed the geese to walk on the land. I think there's a beehive over there. Look.
Yeah, oh wow, you can see them.
Yeah.
That's what I mean about having them in my garden.
Yes.
Because you can see there's like about a 5 foot radius that they patrol pretty heavily. And of course if you were to go like where that crow is and start shouting, you'd be in a lot of trouble.
Yeah.